What tips to make the oil work for machine? Many operators will test their oil to see if it contains any antifreeze, soot, fuel, chrome, or other contaminants that can damage the engine and affect oil performance. For example, if a test reveals that the oil contains chrome, then that may indicate abnormal wear on the bearings. This is 5 steps making the oil work for your machine. 1. Make sure to change oil and filters at the intervals the manufacturer recommends. 2. If you are a short trip driver, it is probably beneficial to change the oil more frequently. 3. If you are a long-haul driver, you can extend the oil change. 4. If the vehicle is newer, you can extend to change the oil. 5. If the vehicle is older, then it will require more frequent oil changes.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.